Good morning, children. Yesterday, you learned about different symbols which you can use for different places, like the thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and the units place. Now, I will teach you about one symbol which you can use for all the four different places. But remember, children, the value of the symbol depends upon the place. Now, we will begin with the thousands place. Now, as you can see here, there is only one symbol. That is the symbol of a tomato. Okay, now in the thousands place, you have 4 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, 1 tomato, the value is 1000. So, 4 tomatoes, the value becomes 4000. So, I will write the number 4 in the thousands place. Now, the same picture symbol is here in the hundreds place. But look at the value of the tomato now. Now in the hundreds place, I have 2 tomatoes. Now in the hundreds place, the value of this 1 tomato is 100. So 2 tomatoes becomes 200. So I write my number 2 in the hundreds place. Now the same picture symbol for the tens place. Now here I have only 1 tomato in the tens place. So the value of this 1 tomato is 10. So I will write the number 1. Now the same picture symbol in the units place. Now here I have 2 tomatoes. And as you know, children, units are single digits. So 2 tomatoes. So I will write the number 2. Now I will read the number. It is 4212. It is a 4-digit number. Children, as you can see here, we have a new picture symbol. And the new picture symbol are black beads. Now I am come to the first one. In the thousands place, there are 2 beads. The value of 1 bead is 1000. So 2 beads means 2000. So I write my number 2. In the hundreds place, there is only 1 bead. The value of it is 100. So I write my number 1. In the tens place, there is only 1 bead. So I write the number 1. In the units place, there are 2 beads. So I write my number 2. So now my 4-digit number is 2112. We'll see the next one now. This is the next one. In the thousands place, there are 2 beads. So we'll write our number 2. But if you notice here, in the hundreds place, there is no bead. So when there is no bead, we'll write our number 0. In the tens place, there are 3 black beads. I write the number 3. In the units place, there are 4 beads. I write the number 4. Now, how do we read this number? It is 2034. We'll come to our third picture. In the thousands place, there are 5 beads. So I write my number 5. In the hundreds place, there are 3 beads. I write the number 3. In the tens place, there is no bead, so 0. In the units place, there is no bead, so 0. So it is 5,300. We'll come to our fourth picture. In the thousands place, there are 5 beads. So I write the number 5. In the hundreds, tens and units place, there are no beads. So 0, 0 and 0. So here our 4-digit number is 5,000. We'll come to our fifth picture. In the thousands place, there are 5 beads. So I write the number 5. In the hundreds place, there are 3 beads. I write the number 3. In the tens place, there are 2 beads. I write the number 2. But in the units place, there are no beads. So I write the number 0. So I will read this number as 5,320. Now our last picture. In the thousands place, there are 5 beads. So I write the number 5. In the hundreds and in the tens place, there are no beads. So I will write 0, 0. In the units place, there are 3 beads. So I write the number 3. Now how do I read this number? 5,003. Children, on the left hand side, we have numbers in words. And I will show you how to write them in figures. The first one, 4,005. Now we have the thousands place, the hundreds place, the tens place and the units place. So 4,005. So 4,000, in the thousands place I will write the number 4. Now children, if you notice, nothing is mentioned about the hundreds place and the tens place. So in the hundreds place, I will write 0. In the tens place, I will write 0. Now and 5. So 5 will go in your units place. So our number here is 4,005. The next one, 5,017. So 5,000, we will write 5 in the thousands place. Now again here, they have not mentioned anything about the hundreds place. So in the hundreds place, we will write 0 and 17. So we will write 1 in the tens place and 7 in the units place. So now our number is 5,017. Next, 7,313. So 7,000. So in the thousands place, we will write our number 7. 300. So in the hundreds place, we will write the number 3. And 13. So 1 in the tens place and 3 in the units place. So our number is 7,313. The next, 8,000. So in the thousands place, we will write our number 8. Now children, here they have not mentioned anything about the hundreds place, the tens place and the units place. So in the hundreds place, we will write 0. In the tens place, we will write 0. And in the units place, we will write 0. So now our number is 8,000. the last one. 9,999. So we have 9,000. So in the thousands place we'll write the number 9. 900. So in the hundreds place we'll write the number 9 and 99. So 9 in the tens place and 9 in the units place. So now our number is 9,999. Now children, here you can see 4 numbers. Number 2, number 3, number 7 and number 6. Now what we are going to do with these 4 numbers? We are going to write 4-digit numbers. Okay, but listen carefully children. We will write a 4-digit number using these numbers only once. Okay, we are not going to repeat the same number. Now, look here. I have written this number for you. 3,672. Now children, if you notice, I have used the number 3, which is here, only once. I have used the number 6, which is here, only once. I have written the number 7, which is here, only once. And I have written the number 2, which is here, only once. So I have made use of these 4 numbers and I wrote a 4-digit number. But I did not repeat the number again. They are all different numbers. Okay, so this is our first 4-digit number. Now come to the second one. In the same way, number 2 I wrote here. Number 3 I wrote here. Number 7 I wrote here. And number 6 I wrote here. So this became a second 4-digit number. And children, I did not repeat the numbers. They are all different numbers which are here. Now our third 4-digit number. Number 7, number 3, number 6 and number 2. So 7,362. Our next 4-digit number. Number 6, number 2, number 7 and number 3. So 6,273. Now our last 4-digit number. Number 3, number 2, number 7 and number 6. So 3,276. So children, I have written only 5 numbers which are of 4 digits. This is your first number, second, third, fourth and fifth. But children, you can form many more numbers using these 4 numbers. Okay, so you can form many more 4-digit numbers. I have written only 5 examples for you. Now children, this is another example. Again, there are 4 numbers. Number 5, number 8, number 9 and number 0. Now in the same way, we are going to form 4-digit numbers using all these numbers only once. Now see here. Number 5 I have written here. Number 0 I have written here. Number 8 I have written here. And number 9 I have written here. So this number is 5,089. So this is our first 4-digit number using these numbers, and I have used these numbers only once. Now children, the second number. number 8, number 5, number 0 and number 9. I have used the numbers again only once. So 8,509. Now look at our third number. Number 9, number 5, number 8 and number 0. So our number is 9,580. Our fourth number. Number 8, number 9, number 0 and number 5. So our number is 8,905. Now our next number. Number 5, number 9, number 0 and number 8. So our number is 5,908. Now children, look at the last number that I have written here. I have started with the number 0. Okay. Then I wrote the number 8. Then I wrote the number 9. And then I wrote the number 5. Now if you notice children, in the first number 0 was in the hundreds place. Here 0 is in the tens place. Here 0 is in the units place. Again here 0 is in the tens place. And here 0 is in the tens place. But look at this number. 0 is in the thousands place. Now children, as we had learnt earlier, if you begin your number with the number 0, then this 0 does not have any value. Okay, so then our number is only 8, 9 and 5. So it is 895. Now children, here we formed 4-digit numbers using these 4 numbers. Okay, all these numbers are 4-digit numbers. But now our last number is not a 4-digit number because we started with the number 0. So this becomes a 3-digit number, 895. So I will cancel this number from here because this number is not a 4-digit number.